Hello, and here today on the Rusty Glove Box we've been working on the ground saw on the assembly, and everything went pretty well. It took you know, a little adjusting and trial and error and put it together and take it apart and all that, so I didn't take any video of that, but now we've got it pretty much all assembled, and so let's go over here and let's check it out and see how everything looks. Well, basically all we lack is putting the engine back on it, and I'm going to do a little bit of work on that cutting chain. I'm going to see if I can't get a few links. Those are some interesting shaped links. They're kind of a double length gauge 60 chain, kind of like an agricultural chain. I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. But anyway, everything's gone together pretty good. Well, that's the chain link, and it's kind of a double width. I've got some regular 60 chain, and I'll show you what that looks like. See, the regular 60 has twice as many rollers, and this is kind of made a little different too. And what I'm going to see is if I can't get some of these center links, see if they sell those individually. If not, what I plan on doing is taking some of these and just splicing them in. They'll go ahead and they'll work with the sprockets and everything. So if I can't find some links like this, I'll use this regular 60 in parts of it. This is the little mechanism that operates the winch cable on rolling it up, and it works by oscillating back and forth . And real simple setup, and works pretty good. This raises and lowers the digger, and seems to be working pretty good. That is the winch drum, and the trenching chain, new sprocket, and pillar block bearings. But that's what it's going to look like with the engine sitting on there, and I have the belt tensioner painted, and I'll be putting it on next. But there's a belt cover that goes on. And so we're just getting pretty close to this thing being ready to go. Well, hey guys, that ground saw, it's looking pretty promising, and I'm glad y'all came by the shop to kind of help me out on this. As always, I do appreciate y'all coming by the shop. Y'all have a great week. This is Rusty Glove Box, and I'm out of here.